Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Moonseye Tome. First, find a quiet and secluded space where you can concentrate without interruption. Next, ensure your tome is perfectly clean, free from any dust or debris that might obscure its mystical properties. Finally, gather any additional components you might need, such as a lunar phase chart or a small, clear crystal, to enhance your connection. These preparations are crucial for a successful experience. Now, let's activate the tome. Carefully place it on a flat, stable surface, ensuring it faces the current moon phase for optimal alignment. With a gentle touch, open the tome to its central, softly illuminated page. Take a moment to clear your mind, then focus your deepest intent on the specific knowledge or insight you wish to uncover. This focused intention is key to unlocking its secrets. As you gaze upon the tome, observe the subtle, shifting patterns and symbols that begin to appear within its pages. Do not rush. Allow your intuition to gently guide your understanding of the presented information. These visions are often symbolic, requiring a thoughtful interpretation. It is highly recommended to record any significant insights or visions in a separate journal for later reflection and clarity. To conclude your session, gently close the Moonseye Tome once you feel your inquiry is complete or you have received sufficient guidance. Take a moment to express sincere gratitude for the knowledge gained and the insights received during your interaction. Finally, store the tome in a safe, dark, and undisturbed place, perhaps wrapped in a soft cloth, until its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.